let's be so honest, I do not need an excuse to do a DIY, but I'm starting to really not like the way that cuffed joggers sit on me. And also, like, summer is literally coming, guys. So in this video, I'm going to be turning these cuffed joggers into shorts instead. So if you want to see how we do that very quickly, then make sure you keep on watching. So the first thing we want to do is grab some chalk and just mark where we want it to sit on us. I wanted my shorts to be about biker shorts length, so I'm just marking, as you can see, these 2 lines, and then we can take it to our table. So you want to grab those joggers, lay them on a flat surface, and then use your chalk and a ruler to kind of add more lines and then connect the dots. I'm measuring from the top to where the first point was, and I'm just using it as a basis for the rest of the markings, and then I am connecting the dots. I'm also going to add about 1 inch and a bit, like 1.25 inches of seam allowance, and then we can cut along those 2 lines. Definitely for this, it's better to make the pants longer initially and take it up rather than cutting off too much. Let's just ignore the fact that I'm actually on the floor right now. But we have these shorts, and then we have, by right, we have this extra bit of fabric as well. So if you wanted to do a DIY project with this, you definitely could. I'm just going to focus on this top bit. So all we need to do for this is grab the hem and fold it up once, and then fold it again and clip or pin it in place all the way around. I'm thinking that a rolled hem is going to have like a neater, more professional looking finish to it. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to clip all the way around, and I'll show you what it looks like. Definitely try on your joggers at this stage as well. Just make sure that there aren't any adjustments or tweaks you need to make before sewing, and that will just make the sewing process so much easier. I'm using a triple straight stitch just because it is great for more stretchy fabrics. Alternatively, you can use like a regular straight stitch instead with like a tension of like 4. But yeah, you just want to go around and stitch both of those legs. And once you have, this is what it should come out looking like. I'm really happy with how mine came out as well. Let me know if you are going to be revamping your wardrobe ahead of summer. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe so I know you do like videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Let's get back up. That was easy.